Eh kung mag-camping naman tayo sa Imus, lahat na yata ng family and child-friendly activities andito na. From staycation, camping, fishing, animal tour, movie night, swimming, ATV ride, go-kart at marami pang iba. Hi Ventures! Welcome sa AJ Play and Campground, located sa Malagasang 1, Imus, Cavite. Sila lang naman ang first child-friendly and family adventure ground sa Imus City. Ang maganda pa dyan, 40 minutes drive lang to from Manila and you will have a complete getaway experience at marami ring adventures ang pwede mong gawin with your family. Kahit nga ako na taga Cavite ay na-amaze na meron palang ganito sa Imus. And for me, deserve nilang makilala kasi the whole stay namin dito, na-enjoy talaga namin, feel mo yung nature at ang daming exciting activities. For staycation naman, may mga options sila dito katulad ng treehouse, pod, A-type, and bell tents. We stayed dito sa pod 2, isang modern industrial pod house at aaminin ko I am impressed sa structure nito outside. Pagpasok naman, they have a living room with smart TV. Behind the living room, here's the bedroom na may queen size bed. May mga cabinets and sink na rin sa loob. At ang masaya, provided na rin nila yung towels and some basic toiletries. Kung na-amaze ako kanina, napangiti naman ako nung nakita ko yung CR nila. The combination of nature and modern design hits different talaga. May jacuzzi, shower, bidet at malawak yung CR nila. O alam ko, hinihintay nyo rin yung rate. For me, sobrang sulit na nito for 8,300 kapag weekdays and 8,800 naman on weekends. Kalma lang guys kasi up to 4 packs naman yung rate na yan. Aside sa staycation, madami-dami na rin yung inclusions. May access na kayo sa pool, breakfast, karaoke, free use of kitchen, dining and grilling station. Tapos ang masaya, kasama na din yung animal tour na siguradong may enjoy ng mga kids kasi sobrang dami talaga ng animals dito. May fishing pa at ATV ride. Kaya if you are planning to spend time with your family or friends, dito siguradong sulit sa dami ng adventure and experience. Iba-iba pala ng inclusions, depende kung saan yung trip magstay. Sa treehouse, the rate is normally 5,200 kapag weekdays and 5,700 naman on weekends, 2 to 3 packs na yan. Sa A-type naman or yung triangle house, 4,150 kapag weekdays and 4,700 naman on weekends, 2 to 3 packs na din. Iba-iba rin yung rates ng tents, depende sa sizes at ilalagay ko na lang yun sa screen. We can also request a bonfire sa gabi or mag-movie night na rin. Ask nyo na lang sila sa rates. Aside sa interaction sa mga animals, may enjoy din ng mga kids ang go-kart at meron din silang play area dito, spider web at mini zipline. In case naman na magutom, no need nang lumayo kasi andito rin naman inside ang Luntian Cafe and Bar. Ang cool kasi inside the campground may cafe and I really like the place kasi tahimik. They're offering wide selection of food and drinks. Dito na rin kami nag-dinner. We ordered kare-kare, fish and chips, Luntian refresher and nomyen. Perfect tambayan spot talaga to kasi may mga private spaces and very chill lang ng vibe. Meron din pala silang day tour na may entrance fee na 200 pesos for adults and 150 pesos naman for kids. Sobrang dami talagang activities na magagawa sa AJ Play and Campground. Hindi lang to perfect sa family bonding pero sa laki ng place kahit team building ayos na ayos dito. For inquiries and reservations, mag-message lang kayo sa page nila. Oh, saan naman kaya ang next food trip, travel or staycation natin? Follow me for more. This is Ali and see you again on our next adventure. Nice!